How to add property in booking.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add property in booking.com. Now the process is actually quite simple. All you have to do is you'll have to open up your booking.com application, and there you'll get an interface like this. Now make sure you're logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen you can see 4 different options, that is search, saved, trips and profile. Simply tap on the profile option there, and once here what you want to do is you want to scroll down below, and all the way down below you can see the partners option, and above the sign out option you can see your list your property option. Simply tap on list your property option, and here you'll get this page. Again tap on list your property and it should take you to the extranet here. And here, if you are first time here for the registration, then it allows you to log into the account, and here you'll have to create and log into the account. Quite a few steps. Now here in my case you can see I'm already continuing my registration, but once here you'll be able to add in your registration after selecting the few steps. And here I'll just tap on create new listing here, just to show you guys. Here once you tap on create new listing or create a listing option, it will prompt you to another page, and it'll look somewhat like this. You'll be able to list your apartment, homes, hotel, B&B and more, and alternative places. You can see properties like boot camps. You want to select the particular option that you want to add, and then you can select the particular options and just go ahead through all these steps, and you'll be able to add the property ultimately. So this way you can add property in booking.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have it for the issues.